Antioch Cemetery. This is the second part of the cemetery. I got this nasty black bee following me here. I don't like it. Don't like it. Lots of tombstones here. This cemetery right here, because I have Big Woods Cemetery on the other side of those trees. This seems to be the second part of the cemetery. These look a whole lot newer. Yeah, there's a few 1800s dated tombstones, but majority of them are mid 1900s, early 1900s. So yeah, this one's definitely the newest part. There have been a lot more people coming in here showing love to their loved ones, and it's beautiful out here though. We've got beautiful grass. These tombstones are just beautiful too. I mean, well kept. There's only a few I can't read, but I got to tell you, this is one of the nicest ones. Clean, well kept. All right, and here we got the Williams. This is all the Williams family. These are so cool. I love it. Oh yeah, you can see how old they are. Wow, it's beautiful. Yeah, I can see a lot of people still coming out here showing love for their loved ones. This is a beautiful cemetery. This one over here, it's beautiful. There's a lot of soldiers buried here. World War I mostly. Yeah, this cemetery's got a lot of potential to it. I mean, look at all these type of style of tombstones we got here. And we got these way here in the very corner. And these woods, it just goes in to just heavy trees. All right. And all these tombstones are on cemented slabs. Every single one. And they're all like that. And this is the second part to the, well, I want to say second part to the other cemetery, the Big Woods Cemetery. I came here yesterday and I had no idea this other part was here, so definitely want to document this. Oh wow, we got one way over here. Brian Keith Solana. Wow, just right here in the corner. October 17th, 1973 to May 5th, 1996. Beloved Daddy. After checking both sides of the cemetery, I decided to come back later that night to see if I had a different feel. It was definitely creepy, but I left early due to the bugs.
Hello. 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 Goodbye.